Once you have tethered your iPhone to your vehicle, you are ready to explore the different functions of Apple CarPlay. Longtime users of Apple products will find these features and functions very intuitive and comparable to some other Apple devices. New users should also be able to easily navigate through the different apps with the help of Siri.
Text Sandy.
What do you want to say?
If you are unable to communicate with Siri while tethered, please see the video outlining pairing instructions. Accessing Siri can be done in multiple ways, such as pressing and holding the Apple Home button located here on the audio display. The safest and most convenient way is to press and hold the push-to-talk voice command button located here on the steering wheel. When using either of these options, you will hear an audible alert that is unique to Siri, and will then see this image appear. This means that Siri is listening and is ready to receive your commands. It is important to hold these buttons until the appropriate Siri audible alert is heard. If you do not hold these buttons for a minimum of 2 seconds, the vehicle's voice command will be enabled instead of Siri. If the Listen for Hey Siri function is enabled on your iPhone device, you can also just simply say, "Hey Siri." After hearing the audible alert, you can begin asking Siri for assistance.
Hey Siri. Call Sandy.
If you would like to speak to a friend that is saved in your phone book, simply say, "Call Sandy," or "Hey Siri, call Sandy," depending on your setting preferences, and an outgoing call will be made. When text message is the preferred method of communication, all you need to do is say, "Text Sandy, how's it going?" Siri will ask you to confirm what you said and then send your message for you.
Your message to Sandy says, "How's it going?"
You can even ask Siri to read any new text messages aloud by saying, "Read my messages." If you happen to get lost, you can also ask Siri for directions by saying, "Find," followed by your destination or point of interest. After getting you back on your way, Siri will also be there to help make sure you're enjoying your trip by providing access to your iTunes library. All you need to do is say, "Play," followed by the name of the song you wish to listen to in your library, and you're ready to rock. Some of your favorite go-to apps might not be available within CarPlay, as only those that can be used safely while driving and adhere to Apple's CarPlay app template will be available. If an app cannot be accessed, Siri will respond by saying, "Sorry, I can't help you with that while you're in the car."
I'm afraid I can't do that while you're in the car.
Thanks for watching this Know Your Toyota video.